Hello girls and boys, how are you all? I hope you all are good. In today's class, we will learn maths. Subtraction 1 to 10, chapter number 3. Subtraction. What is the meaning of subtraction? If we want to find how many things are left after some are taken away, we subtract. Okay. Here are 9 sweet and we take away 3. You can see here that there are 9 sweet and we take away 3. Then how many left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means there are 6 sweets left. 9 take away 3 is 6. We write 9 minus 3 equal 6. This is a sign of minus and these two parallel line means equals. This is a symbol of minus. Okay students? You have a 4 sweet. No sweets are taken away. You have a 4 sweet left. Means students, you can see here that there are 4 sweet over here. And if you are not pick up any chocolate or any sweet, then how many sweets are left? Obviously 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4. We write as 4 minus 0 equal 4. Exercise number 1. Josh bought 6 ice cream to Mel. Students, you can see here that there are 6 ice cream. And here you can see that these 2 ice cream melt. So how many ice cream left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ice cream left. So we write 6 minus 2 equal 4. There were 7 apples on a tree. You can see here that there are 7 apples on a tree. Maya picked 2 apples. Then how many apples left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5. Means 7 minus 2 equal 5. There were 7 flowers. You can see here that there are 7 flowers and this got at 1 flower. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. Means 7 minus 1 equal 6. Exercise number 2. Put cross on the things you take away. Write the answer in the box. Over here students, you can see that it is an butterfly. Okay. If we take away this butterfly, then how many butterfly left over here? Nothing. 0. 1 minus 1 equal 0. Over here you can see here that there are 2 fishes. If we take away, then how many fish is left? 1. So 2 minus 1 equal 1. See. You can see here that there are 2 trees. Okay. If one tree fell down, then how many trees are left? Yes, 1. So our answer is 1. 2 minus 1 equal 1. Students, remaining question is your HW. Students, you can see here that there are 5 books. If 4 books we take away, then how many books are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We take away these 4 books. And how many left? 1. Means 5 minus 4 equal 1. Over here there are 5 aeroplanes. If 3 aeroplanes flew away, then how many aeroplanes are left? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Means 5 minus 3 equal 2. Over here there are 5 birds. Okay. If we take away 2 birds, 1, 2, then how many left? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3. Over here there are 5 umbrella. If we take away 1 umbrella, then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4. Means 5 minus 1 equal 4. Over here you can see that there are 6 fishes. We take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many left? 1 and 2. Means 6 minus 4 equal 2. Students, remaining question is your HW. Subtraction. Students, in exercise number 2, we learn that horizontal subtraction. Now we are going to learn vertical subtraction. Exercise number 3. You can see here that there are 8 boards. Okay. If we take away 5 boards, then how many left? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3. Means 8 minus 5 equal 3. Over here 8 drums are there. If we take away 6 drums, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how many drums are left? 1, 2. So our answer is 2. Means 8 minus 6 equal 2. Over here there are 8 birds. Okay. We take away 7 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how many birds left? 1 bird. Means our answer is 1. 8 minus 7 equal 1. Over here there are 8 reds. Okay. If we take away 8 reds, then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We pick up all the reds. So nothing is away, means nothing is there right now. Means our answer is 0. 8 minus 8 equal 0. Students, you can see here that there are 9 balls. If we take away 4 balls, then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means there are 5 balls left. 9 minus 4 equal 5. Students, remaining question is your HW. Exercise number 4. Subtract by drawing lines and crossing out. Over here in this exercise, students, we subtract by drawing line and crossing out. Okay. 3 minus 2 means here you have to make 3 dots and 2 dots you have to cross out. So how many left? 1 dot. So our answer is 1. 3 minus 2 equal 1. 4 minus 2. So here we make 4 dots and the second number is 2. So here we crossing out 2 dots. So how many left? 1, 2. So our answer is 2. Means 4 minus 2 equal 2. 6 minus 3. So we make 6 dots and 3 dots we crossing out. 1, 2, 3. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3. 6 minus 3 equal 3. 7 minus 4. So students, here we make 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 4 dot we crossing out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3. Means 7 minus 4 equals 3. 8 minus 5. So over here we make 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we crossing out how many dots? 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 3. Means 8 minus 5 equal 3. Students, remaining question is your HW. Subtraction on the number line. Subtract 4 from 7 on the number line. 7 minus 4 equals how many? Start at 7. Students, in this number line, the first number is 7. So we put our pencil on 7 and then we have to jump 4 times. The second number is 4. So how many times we jump? 4 times. Students, keep one thing in your mind, that in subtraction you always count backward numbers. Backward number means before number. Okay. And you always go on left side. So we make arrow on left side. So let's jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach on 3. So our answer is 3. Means 7 minus 4 equal 3. Exercise number 5. Subtract on the number line. Over here, students, you can see here that the first number is 9. So we put our pencil on 9 and the second number is 3. Okay, so how many times we jump? 3 times. Which side? Left side, because we have to count before number. So start jumping. 1, 2, 3. we reach on 6. Means our answer is 6. 9 minus 3 equal 6. 8 minus 5. The first number is 8. So we put our pencil on 8. And the second number is 5. So how many times we jump? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in subtraction, students, we always go on left side. So over here we make arrows on left side. And we reach on 3. So our answer is 3. Means 8 minus 5 equal 3. Okay. Remaining question is your HW. And by counting backwards. Subtract 3 from 8. Means 8 minus 3 equals how many? Students, in this counting backward, you have to keep first number in your mind and the second number in your finger. And in subtraction, we always count before number. So, let's do with me. 8 in your mind and 3 in your finger. Here we count before number. So, before 8, 7, 6, 5. So, our answer is 5. Means 8 minus 3 equal 5. Exercise number 6. Subtract by counting backwards. 5 minus 2. So, we keep 5. First number 5 in our mind and 2 in our finger. We count before number. So, before 5, 4, 3. So, our answer is 3. Means 5 minus 2 equal 3. 7 minus 4 equals how many? So, we keep 7 in our mind and 4 in our finger. Here we jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach on 3. So, our answer is 3. And we make arrow on left side because we go on left side. Students, remaining question is your HW. Question number 2. Subtract by counting backwards. Students, I told you that first number that you have to keep in your mind and second number you count in your fingers. Okay, so let's start. Over here 10 minus 8. So we keep 10 in our mind and 8 in our finger. In subtraction we count before number. So before 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Means our answer is 2. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 4 minus 3. So we keep first number in our mind. So 4 in my mind and 3 in the finger. Before 4, 3, 2, 1. So our answer is 1. 4 minus 3 equal 1. 7 minus 5. 7 in the mind and 5 in the finger. Before we count, so before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So our answer is 2. 9 minus 6. 9 in the mind and 6 in the finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Means our answer is 3. 7 minus 6. So, 7 in our mind and 6 in the finger. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, our answer is 1. Means 7 minus 6 equal 1. 9 minus 3. So 9 in the mind and 3 in the finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6. So our answer is 6. 5 minus 2. So 5 in the mind and 2 in the finger. Before 5, 4, 3. So our answer is 3. Students, in subtraction you have to keep in your mind that first number you have to keep in your mind and the second number you have to count in your finger. In subtraction you always count before number. Remaining question is your HW. Number 7, story sum. Number 1. The balloon seller had 8 balloons. Students, you can see here that over here there are 8 balloons. He sold 7, means we cut down 7 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then how many balloons are left? Only 1 balloon. So our answer is 1. Means 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Number 2. Tara had 10 crayons. You can see here that there are 10 crayons. She used 4. Means we cut down 4 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 6. Means 10 minus 4 equal 6. So right now Tara had 6 crayons. Number 3. Raju had 9 books. So we first write 9 over here, and you can see here that there are 9 books. He gave 3 to his sister. How many books give? 3 books. Okay. So we cut down 3 books. 1, 2, 3. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Students, in subtraction, the first thing that we keep in our mind, whenever you find the left word in story sum, so you have to put minus sign. Okay. Number 4. Yusuf pick up 8 flowers. So we write 8. He gave 4 to his mother. So we write 4. How many are left with him? You can see here that again left word coming in the question. So we put minus sign. Over here there are 8 flowers and we cut down 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means right now Yusuf has 4 flowers. So our answer is 4. 8 minus 4 equal 4. Students, remaining question is your HW. Subtraction, how many more? Students, she is Mala. Okay. And he is Anil. You can see here that Mala has 8 balloons and Anil has 3 balloons. So we cut 3 balloons from Mala. Let's cut 1, 2, 3. Then how many more balloons Mala has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means Mala has 5 balloons more than Anil. Exercise number 8. Jaws has 4 chocolate. You can see here that his Jaws. He has 4 chocolate and Tara has 3 chocolates. How many more chocolate does Jaws have? Students, you can see here that the more word come in the question. So we put minus sign over here. So we subtract 3 chocolates from Jaws. 1, 2, 3. Then how many left? 1. Means Jaws has 1 more chocolate than Tara. Question number 2. Ali caught 9 fish. So we write 9. Dinu caught 5 fish. He is Dinu. He caught 5 fish. How many more fish did Ali catch? So we put minus sign because here more word come in the question. So we subtract 5 fish from Ali. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 more fish Ali did catch than Dinu. Students, remaining question is your HW. I hope you all understood about the chapter.